Okay, and so begins the Force 125 rebuild. So far I have taken the carburetors off, a whole bunch of wiring, solenoid, everything for the trim and tilt, because what I'd like to do is take off the power head, and all of these bolts have to come out for the leg cover. There's 3 here, 3 on the other side, and if I go around to the other side, excuse the poor photography, camera work, you may not be able to see these anyway, but yeah, there's one right there. These hold the leg cover on. There's 6 or 8, something like that. Heads off. You can see in back there. I think it'll be okay. I'm hoping everything checks out for the rebuild. Put a couple of new pistons. Well, not new, but I have some from an 85, which I believe are the same size. Get some rings and put them in and see how she goes, and hopefully everything goes well. Stay tuned.